everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a simple progress bar using text in CapCut PC. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. Come up to the text menu and drag default text onto the timeline. Extend it to your desired duration. Change the text to a line of dashes. And adjust the spacing to make it a single line. Increase the size and change the color to black. Next, turn on the stroke option. Set it to white. Adjust the thickness and resize as needed. Now, copy what you've created, paste it as an overlay. Change the text color. Turn off the stroke. Then go to Animations. Select Wipe Right. Adjust the duration to create a smooth progress effect. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.